My dear viewers, this might be the last time we see the building that used to house Spirits Plus Liquor standing. As you can tell, there is some construction equipment there. That's probably going to be used to demolish it. Since this might, I used to go to the store a lot. A lot of potato chips here, Manischewitz wine, Coca-Cola, etc. Guess I'm going to do one last walk around the building, kind of preserve for future generations what the exterior of the place looked like. Sign. There's parking in the rear. And I guess on the inside, everything anyone wants to see has been removed. And I assume that's the machine that's going to be used to demolish the building. So here we are. Last chance to see this store before it gets destroyed.